Reese, what is that? It's what?
Who's this?
Who is that?
Who's that?
It's Tinkerbell. You're right. What are we going to do with this? Ask Daddy to help you. Tinkerbell.
Are you excited?
Wait till you see what it does. What is that, Boo?
You gonna lift it up?
She's like, how do I get in this thing? Can you open it, baby, and show her what's inside? Is it heavy? Daddy will help you.
I need scissors or something.
Scissors?
Hold on. Will you help Dad? Help Dad get it out. Pull that out.
Bella, what is that? You're going to love it.
What is it? Tinkerbell.
So excited. Oh, what is that? Oh my goodness.
It's a play hut.
It should pop open. Oh, it's on the inside. Here, you do. Hold on, baby. You gotta pull this out. Like that. Hold on. Oh my goodness. What is that? Oh my goodness. Well, we gotta attach the other piece. Look at this. This goes with it. Hold on. Look at it. I don't want it to hit you. Yeah, we don't want it to hit you. Whoa! What is that?
Crawl through it, Reese.
Get in there. What is that?
Reese, what do you think? What do you think, Boo? Is that Tinkerbell?
I think it comes off. I have the worst taste in my mouth from that stupid strawberry shortcake ball that I tried to blow up.
What?
Okay, it comes off of this side.